2023 BMW X5 will be available for sale this next season. BMW is in an initial stage of testing prototypes for an upgraded X5. One was spotted in one of BMW's various manufacturing centers located in Germany. The update slated for the popular midsize crossover SUV will result in a mid-cycle update to the fourth generation X5, which was launched in the year 2018 and was marketed as a 2019 model. The updated version is expected to launch in 2022, in 2023 as a model. It is expected to arrive with an upgraded version of the X6. 2023 BMW X5 redesign. Exterior. The exterior of the 2023 BMW X5 is taking over in front with large Renault grilles that are flanked by symbol adaptive front lights. Directed fog lighting is also available, even that the top fenders are home to lean air vents. The back of the house has an adaptive braking lighting system as well as a synthetic diffuser and twin get-out of exhaust stores. Side rails for the roof structure and a stunning moonroof are common as well, along with 19-inch tires on all. However, the M50i version, which is a version of the 20s, 22-inch and 21-inch tires could be seen. The M50i design can also be transformed into a unique M Sport body system as well as a Shadowline external clip, bringing it with a more competitive style. Interior. The interior of the X5 is an amazing design, just like the rest of the X5. Its construction is on par with the best, and its design is two contemporary designs that also pay homage to the classic BMW cabins of old. 12.3 driver infographics show the driver's location. The controls are clad in leather, while a 12.3 contact display is used for informationtainment. Smooth effect materials as well as Sensatec imitation leather materials are used to decorate the majority of designs, and the M50i version has genuine Vernix leather instead. Whichever model you're looking at, there's ample space. The seating is generally comfortable, ensuring the ambience is comfortable and cozy at the same time. Other features such as regular heated up seating in all variants enhance the X5's impressive array of features. Engine. It's unclear what's being planned for the powertrains, but the possibility of improvements to efficiency or performance or both are likely. For the United States, the X5 is available with the 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine or a 4.4-liter turbocharged twin-turbocharged engine. The inline-6 can be found as a plug-in hybrid model, while the V8 could be offered in the form of an X5M that produces 600 horsepower with the standard guise and 617 horsepower in the X5M competitor's model. Don't be expecting a battery electric powertrain at the very least, not in this generation. BMW will fulfill that need with its new 9 coming in 2022. The fuel cell version may be available by the time it arrives also, though only in very small numbers. 2023 BMW X5 price and release date. It is the BMW X5 series that delivers several models for 2023, with the base xdrive40i model with the starting price of $59,400, which includes the $995 fee for the Spot. The AWD xdrive40i model is more expensive with an MSRP in the USA $61,700. The hybrid xdrive45i model costs $65,400, excluding any additional costs or discounts that could be offered. However, the most powerful version of the series, the X5 M50i, is sold with a sticker cost of $82,800. In the main, the xdrive45i model is suitable for the government tax credit of $7,500. If it's fully loaded, we'll be able to maximize the online configurator and offer a BMW X5 at a price that is more than $105,000 including the location. The production of the X5 for sale worldwide is handled by BMW Group's manufacturing facility situated in Spartanburg, South Carolina. In the year 2000, BMW managed to sell 54,595 units across the US alone.